Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up a customer feedback system in Airtable, your go-to tool for organizing and managing critical business data. First off, we'll create a new base. Select the Add a Base option and choose Start from Scratch. Creating a new base ensures we're building our feedback system from a clean slate, tailoring it to our exact needs. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table, Customer Feedback. Click on Add a Table, name it Customer Feedback, and add columns for customer name, date, feedback, and rating. These columns are the building blocks of our feedback system, capturing essential data that will guide our improvement efforts. Next up, we'll set up our form view. The reason we do this is to create an easy-to-use feedback form for our customers. Click on Add View, select Form, and drag your columns into the form. Remember to make your questions clear and concise to get the best responses. Now, let's make sure we're capturing all the data we need. Click on Form Settings and enable email notifications for new responses. This helps us because it allows us to respond promptly to customer feedback, showing our customers that we value their input. Finally, we'll share our form. Click on Share Form, copy the link, and distribute it to your customers. This is the final step, taking our carefully crafted feedback system and putting it into action. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, we've set up a custom customer feedback system in Airtable. Remember, consistent customer feedback is the key to improving your products or services. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next tutorial.